My dog is scared of loud noises. How can I make them feel super calm?
Loud noises are something that seem to bother a lot of dogs. And a lot of people always ask that question. I always tell them slow exposure therapy. So what's important is you want to tag along that type of noise exposure therapy to something rewarding. That way you start getting the dog salivating instead of being anxious. You just slowly, you reward them. You're just getting you're covering a lot of their senses, because right now the fireworks, that's covering their hearing, but now you're covering their sense of scent, you're feeding their appetite, you're giving them a lot of praise and reward.